Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see yesterday the European Central Bank, has not completed and realized the expectations that investors had recently. So they, and me too, actually would be happy if European Central Bank provides more active measures to support the economy, more liquidity. In this case, indeed, we could get the rally on the euro currency. We talked about it yesterday on the gold market as well, but this hasn't happened. At the same time, it was not some kind of the just drastic disappointment. Not. This is, just why disappointment? But because in general, they just said that they stand with the measures that exist and will keep them as long as it will be needed to economy. Maybe in the future, these measures will be increased. So in general, so overall background is not bad, but still market has lost the intraday short-term driving factor that would become the one that could push price higher and let market to complete the target as on the euro currency, as on the gold market, so we have on the daily chart. So here in particular we have the 1825 area. But as you can see, this is a result of the recent statement. Besides, this was some slightly positive statistics from the United States that supports the United States dollar, and that has led to some drop. As a result, market has erased the minor grabber that we've got 2 days ago, but at the same time, our major grabber still stands valid. It's right here, and it still suggests that market could take it out of this top. So currently, nothing really awful has happened yet. Market keeps short-term bullish context valid. But currently it's not quite clear what particular pattern could be formed here. So we could suggest some things. So for example, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we said, let's take a look what has happened, because if market will fail to pass through this flag yesterday, probably it will take some other pattern, take some other shape of the different pattern. What it will be, we need to see what will happen. Currently it's difficult to suggest something. The one thing that I see here is that could be maybe the butterfly. Something of that sort. Nothing more. So, and it's crucial for the market currently to stay with this flag pattern. So if it will break it down, well, that will be not good sign, and it really could be postponing of the upward continuation, or maybe market could even ignore, although it happens very rare. But theoretically it could ignore the target and start dropping. But let's not talk about it by far, because market currently still stands bullish. It keeps bullish context. You can see even inside the flag the market shows the upward reversal. So it happens before market hits the lower border, which means it could be early reversal inside the flag and another challenge of the possible breakout. Here you also could recognize the hint of the hidden bullish divergence. Yes, MACD lines hasn't crossed yet, but if it will happen today, we will get the hidden bullish divergence that suggests taking out of this top. And in general, I think that it's too early to deny idea of immediate upward continuation. As I said, while market stands inside this flag, it keeps chance on the upward continuation here and hitting of the target, reaching of the target. On the intraday charts, on the hourly chart in particular, what we have, also nothing to say. Our minor XOP bet yesterday, take a look. Indeed, market has shown some volatility around it and shows even some pullbacks, approximately for $5-7 per contract here has happened. But then, when the European Central Bank announced nothing new, market collapsed. Currently, what we have some kind of the, I don't know how to call it better. Let's call it as a kind of the hand and shoulder shape, and you can see market stops somewhere here. That's mostly agrees with these previous lows, but minor XOP target here has not been reached yet. It's based on this ABC top pattern. It's difficult to suggest what will happen. Maybe market will form some another move down to complete the XOP and starting upward action. Maybe not. But one thing that I would like to say is that the crucial point here is these lows, because that is the grabber on the daily chart. It's important, and well, until market stands above it, it is theoretically possible to take the long position. Probably with the stops below these areas. Target is still the same, 1825. Here we do not have yet the clear continuation pattern on the hourly chart. It means that we could rely only on the two patterns that we have on the higher time frames. I mean, butterfly here, which has the same invalidation point right here, right? And daily grabber. That's two patterns that we have currently. Whether to make bet on them or not, well, guys, it stands up to you. But context still bullish. There's no reasons yet to take the short position by far and see what will happen. Market really could complete the target that we have, because that's crucial for our longer term scenario, longer term trading plan. We suggest that market could start deep retracement as soon as this will happen, and that's very important to us that market should complete it. Because when you have the uncompleted target on your back, it's not really good psychologically. It's really could lead to some surprises, negative surprises, if you plan to take the short positions. That's why it would be better if market will complete this target. Well, it means that if you still would like to take the long position, you could watch for some minor retracement with this area, with this upper direction, trying to take the position, or wait when the market will hit the XOP. But anyway, initial stop probably should be below these lows. Well, that's what we see currently on the gold.